Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Eliana coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, October 18th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 49 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 69 and a low of 45 with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs lost against the Los Angeles Dodgers with a score of 6-1. They will play again tonight at 8. And the Blackhawks play the St. Louis Blues tonight at 7 o'clock. There are no Cubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: tonight is family dining night at Culver's. Wednesday's word of wisdom are: the first to apologize is the bravest. The first to forgive is the strongest. The first to forgive is the happiest. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs were brought to you by the first graders in room 106. Have a dabbing Wednesday.
Lonely, we fill it up with only